Hey everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're checking out this 2023 Chevy Blazer 2LT, all the features and things within it. This is a perfect SUV to go ahead and take anywhere, anytime with its all-wheel drive and of course all of the features within. So let's check it out. First up, you can see that it has 34,000 miles. You can access things within the instrumental panel over here on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So you can see things like your information, tire pressure, music, navigation, phone connection, and settings. Go through those options and see everything that you would need within the system. You also have your hands-free calling and voice commands, and then your volume behind the wheel on this side. You have your station control behind the wheel on this side, pre-collision alerts, so you can adjust the gap of how close or how far you are to the vehicle in front of you. Those alerts do pop up right there. And then you also have your cruise control settings, like I mentioned. You have your exterior and interior lighting settings to the left, and then your parking brake right down below. Checking out your nice fast touchscreen display right here. Plenty of options within it. Here's your home menu where you have what you're listening to, phone connection. Over here you have your audio, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot, apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with connecting your phone, settings, users, so you can have your own profile, climate control, so you can access that, dual temperature, so you can have a different temperature from the driver to the passenger, as well as you do have them down here for adjusting that temperature. Airflow and mode, everything right in here, and then you can close up these vents. Super easy to do that as well. Let's go back on home and check out your settings. Anything within your system, apps, and vehicle right in here. So apps is your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Vehicles, anything with your maintenance, lighting, comfort, convenience, right in there. You have your engine start stop button next to the screen that you start it up. You have your key fob 4. Your key fob here has lock and unlock, remote start, as well as your alert system. You can use this for keyless entry for enter and exit your vehicle. Easy, easy. Set that down here. You do have some storage, some charging ports, USB-C, USB, as well as up here you have a couple more options for buttons. You have your auto off for that idle stop and go traffic, hazard lights, and then of course your traction control off, and your glove box when you have a manual in there for more information within the vehicle. Taking a look at the backup camera, nice clear backup camera, and you can also turn on and off those backup lines, and you have that towing haul line, so you can see all of those in here in reverse. Checking out the rest of the vehicle, you have your cup holders here, as well as your all-wheel drive lane keep, room in the center console, as well as some more charging ports, cloth seating interior, as well as a little bit of a design within. Nice comfy seats back there that has a middle seat that folds down to be an armrest with cup holders. You have a sunglass holder up top here, and of course your SOS and lighting settings. Door panel has your door windows, child lock, and then your mirror controls, so you can adjust those, and you do have that blind spot warning so you can see if anything is coming in your rear view mirror. You have lock and unlock, and I think that about wraps up most of this Chevy Blazer. We can take a quick look at the back seats and trunk space. That's about it. Are finished up inside here. Take the key fob with, and I can show you how to use keyless entry.